Beginner's Guide to HTML. Whether you're looking to change the layout of your blog or simply want to insert some funky effects into your website, HTML has long been the standard way of doing it. We're going to go through a little basic code to help you get going. Step 1. Basic structure. You can write HTML into a document in Notepad or on a program dedicated to making web pages. However it's done, an HTML page needs to have the following structure. A tag is opened with pointy brackets, like body, and closed with a slash in there, /body. This tells the PC what to display, in this case, the body of the file. If you open a tag, make sure you close it accordingly, otherwise you're going to run into big, messy problems and your web page won't display properly. You don't need to worry too much about what's going on here, just that your content, all of your text and pictures and what have you, go between the body tags. Chances are you won't be hard-coding a website yourself, so if you look at the structure of the template for a website or HTML-based blog, you'll see this sort of layout. Step 2. Hyperlinks. To turn ordinary, boring, non-clickable text into a hyperlink, use the following syntax. This will turn your text into a dynamic hyperlink. Step 3. Mail to. Mail to is pretty useful. You can make it so if a visitor clicks on a piece of text on your website, it automatically opens their default email program, and can even fill in some of the details in case visitors to your website are extraordinarily lazy. You can stick a comma in there to add multiple recipients, or even stick a subject in the subject line. Step 4. Fonts. Plain old text on websites looks pretty dull, so you'll probably want to add in some new fonts, colours and weights to your words. Font face changes the font you're using. Don't pick a weird looking font off your computer, only use ones that come with the vast majority of computers. That way your web page will actually be readable by other people, even if they don't have that font installed. Change the colour of the font with the colour attribute. Remember to use the American spelling. They're in charge of spelling on the internet now, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Bold, italic and underline are all done with B, I and U, thusly. There's loads more stuff you can use. Strike strikes through text, blink makes it flash, and font size +2 will make it slightly bigger. Change that +2 to whatever you like to make it as massive as you like, or negative to make it more tiny. Bear in mind that too many effects make things look tacky, like how the internet looked in the early 90s, so be careful what you use. Step 5. Images. In this day and age, a website without pickies looks outright ridiculous. Why not spruce things up with some pictures? ImgCirc stands for image source. That plonks an image down for you, with alt text that you'll see if you hover your pointer over it. There's more stuff you can do, like body background.jpg into your opening body tag. That'll give the background a repeating image, which is sexy. You can also easily change the size of your image with width and height parameters, and make it align to the left or the right accordingly. There's loads and loads to HTML and plenty of tutorials available online to give you a leg up. Once you understand how it works, it's not that complicated. All this code is available to you below, so you can copy and paste it directly into your web page where appropriate. Done!